The Tislly Baby Swing TS-001 is designed to provide both safety and comfort with its upgraded 5-point adjustable safety belt, ensuring your little one is securely fastened while enjoying the swing indoors or outdoors. Crafted from 100% cotton and high-quality beech wood, this baby swing is both breathable and gentle on the skin, providing a safe and pleasant experience for your child. This versatile swing can be easily installed in various locations, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether it be in your living room or hanging from a tree in your backyard. With its portable design and included storage bag, the Tislly Baby Swing is easy to carry and assemble, allowing you to adjust its height and set it up with minimal effort. The swing is designed to grow with your child, transforming from a baby swing to a toddler chair swing, making it a long-lasting addition to your child's playtime. This swing makes an excellent gift for children aged 1 to 4 years, offering both fun and developmental benefits while ensuring parents have peace of mind with its safety features.